How to watch Netflix on Android Auto. If any day any of you are a Netflix user and you would like to watch your Netflix on Android Auto but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to make sure that you have downloaded and installed Netflix on your mobile device. For that, you can go to the Play Store on your mobile device, tap on Play Store, go to the search icon on your mobile device, search Netflix on the Play Store, and download the Netflix there. If you have already installed and download the Netflix, it's okay. And you have to go back and then go to the option of the settings. After that, you can see the search like option there and you have to search Android Auto. Now, after you search Android Auto, if you find the option of Android Auto on your very mobile device, you have to tap on that. But if you do not find the option of Android Auto there, then it may be because Android Auto is not on your mobile device. However, in my mobile device, I have the option of Android Auto. So I can tap on the option of Android Auto like this and then tap on this very option of the Android Auto. After tapping on that, now it will take to an interface like this. Now from here, we can go to the option of connect a car and then tap on the option of connect a car and we can connect it through the help of a USB there. We can connect to our car like this and we can connect it through a USB cable to start it, and this way our very problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.